welcome to my YouTube channel AhsanCodeBytes. My name is Hassan, and in this video we will try to solve W3Schools SQL quiz. Let's begin. As you can see in my screen, this is the first question, as we have 21 out of 25 questions in this SQL quiz, and one by one we are trying to solve and check our answers after that. So let's start. Question 1. What does SQL stand for? As we already know, SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and the correct answer is this. Next. The another one is, which SQL statement is used to extract data from a database? It's the one and only select statement, not get, extract, and open. Next. SQL quiz. Which SQL statement is used to update data in a database? The one and only update command is used for update data in a database. The right one is update. Next. Which SQL statement is used to delete data from a database? It's delete command for use to delete data from a database. The correct one is delete. Next. Which SQL statement is used to insert a new data into database? The one and only insert into. The correct one is A. Next. Which SQL, how do you select a column named first name from a table named persons? So in this question, you have to get the first name from a table that is name is person. So what is it? Not this one, not this one, this one. Select first name from persons. The correct one is this. Next. With SQL, how do you select all the columns from a table named person? This one is incorrect. This one is incorrect. This one is correct. Next. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named person where the value of the column first name is Peter? Select static from persons where first name, no, it's incorrect. It's also incorrect. Select static from persons where first name equals to Peter. This one is correct. Next. SQL. Right, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the value of the column first name starts with an A? Select strike from persons where first name is equals to A. It's an incorrect because we have to start with an A, so we are using like constructor. Select strike from person where first name like percent A. Select strike from person where first name like A%. This one is correct. The OR operator display a record if any condition listed are true. The AND operator displays a record if all of the conditions listed are true. We will repeat it again. The OR operator displays a record if any condition listed are true. The AND operator displays a record if all of the conditions listed are true. That is true. Next. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the first name is Peter and the last name is Jackson? Select first name, that is wrong. Select static from persons where first name, that is also wrong. This one is correct. Next. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table name persons where the last name is alphabetically between and including Hansen and Peterson? Select last name and last name, that is incorrect. Select strike from persons where last name between, this one is correct, and it's also incorrect, so second one is correct. Which SQL statement is used to return only different values? The one and only distinct function is used only to return only different values. Which SQL keyword is used to sort the results at? It's which SQL keyword is used to sort the results at, right? It's order by. With SQL, how can you return all the records from a table name person, sorted descending by first name? Select first, select strike from persons, sort, it's incorrect. Select strike from persons, order by first name descending. Order B is correct and all is one, all are incorrect. Next. With SQL, how can you insert a new record into the persons table? It's incorrect, it's also incorrect. Insert into person values, that is correct. With SQL, how can you insert Olson as a last name in the person's table? Insert into Oslo into last name, it's incorrect. Insert into person's last name values, it's correct. Next. As you can see, this is quite easy if you are SQL lover and if you want to grow yourself in SQL Server database development. So you have to attempt this quiz and want to know that what's your expertise in SQL. So let's get back to the next question, that is 18. As we have done with 17 questions as well out of 25. How can you change Hansen into Nelson? In the last name column in the person table, update person set last name is equals to Nelson where last name Hansen. This one is correct because the another one is update person set last name Hansen into last name, and this one is modify. The correct one is first. Next. With SQL, how can you delete the records where the first name is Peter and in the persons table delete from person where first name equals to Peter? Both are incorrect and this one is correct. Next. With SQL, how can you return the number of records in the persons table? How can you return the number of records into the table? We are using count function for count of number to specify the number of records in a person table. The first one is correct. Next. What is the most common type of join? Joined, inner join, inside join, join table, that is inner join. The correct one is next. Which operator is used to select values within a range? Within, between, range. We are using between. The not null constraint enforces a column to not accept values null. Constraint, read it again. The not null constraint enforces a column to not accept null values. That is true. Next. Which operator is used to search for a specified pattern in a column? Which operator is used to search for a specified pattern in a column? That is from. Next. Which SQL statement is used to create a database table called customer? We have to create a new table, that is customers. Create database tab customers. Create DB customers. Create database table customers. And the table name is used. Which SQL statement is used to create a database table called customers? Create table customer. This one is correct. Next. We have done with 25 out of 25 SQL quizzes, and boom, we have 23 correct results out of 25 and the percentage is 92. You can proud of yourself, and we have done in 17 minutes 48 seconds. That's great. And you can also check your capabilities in a SQL server, and you have to perform this SQL quiz using W3Schools, that because this is a great platform for learning SQL server, and this is a great advantage for you as well for become a SQL developer. Hope you like this video and keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.